If you are looking for best keypad door locks, this video is for you. Let's get started with the list. Product number 1, most popular, August SmartLoq, 3rd Gen technology.
With August SmartLoq, your phone is now your key. August lets you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. It's that easy. You can even set August to auto unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. And with August's proprietary DoorSense technology, you'll know your door is both closed and locked. Create secure temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys. Available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.
Product number 2 most popular, Ultraloq UL3BT Bluetooth-enabled fingerprint and touchscreen keyless smart lock.
Here's the basic way to use Ultraloq. Notice the door does not open, but the handle does turn. A fingerprint is all you need to open the door. You just go up to the lock and touch it with part of your hand to activate it. Then you either put your code in or use your finger. Simple as that. You can put in more digits than your actual code, but your code has to be somewhere in the middle of all those digits. This helps prevent prying eyes from memorizing your code if they could see it.
Product number 3 most popular, Kwikset Wave SmartCode electronic featuring SmartKey.
What I really like about SmartKey rekey technology is that it's elegantly simple. It's fast, it's easy, and once it's done, I know that there aren't any more phantom keys that could exist for that lock. Insert the existing key into the lock. Insert the SmartKey tool. And turn the new key I want to switch to. In under 30 seconds, SmartKey rekey technology eliminates the possibility of phantom keys existing after a build.
Product number 4 most popular Schlage Wave Connect Camelot touchscreen deadbolt. Product number 5 most popular, keyless entry smart deadbolt lock, digital touchscreen.
Ever feel awkward to hide in front of friends when entering the PIN? Do you worry about home security when you're running errands or traveling out of town? We've created the PIN Genie Smart Lock with reshuffling technology, so you know your home is secure. With our magic PIN entry technology, no one will be able to guess your unique PIN, even if they're watching. With our PIN Genie Smart Lock, you'll have peace of mind knowing your home is safe and secure. Use Airbnb or VRBO. Use the PIN Genie Smart Lock to assign temporary pins for guests. Using the PIN Genie app, visitors can enter their passcode once they arrive and are within Bluetooth range.
Hey, it worked!
Here's how it works. PIN Genie's patent-pending PIN pad not only condenses your 10-digit code into 4 buttons, but it also reshuffles after each use.
It shuffles the numbers like right after you put it in.
Snap, that's
Isn't
crazy.
that cool?
The PIN Genie Smart Lock makes it virtually impossible for unwelcome visitors to enter your home. After 3 failed attempts to enter your home, the PIN pad will be disabled for 1 hour. If an attempted break-in occurs, PIN Genie Smart Lock's alarm will be triggered. We've also included a unique traditional house key for family and friends who might not remember their unique PIN code.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.